Hola Squalene. So are you confused what I'm talking about? So don't be confused guys. I'm talking about a new ingredient that Pilgrim has launched in their new skincare range. That is the Squalene range. Now as you know that Pilgrim always comes out with secrets of some beautiful places where they have a secret ingredient. So this time they are at Seville, Spain. Okay. Now this is the secrets of Seville, España, Spain. Now this is their Squalene range, which has got niacinamide, vitamin C, retinol, and like there are so many things in this whole range. They have kiwi extract, vitamin B5 and many things. So before getting or diving inside the video, let me give you a quick introduction of mine. My name is Chandni and I make videos on beauty, fashion, makeup, lifestyle and stuff like that. So in case you're interested, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the like button, and it would mean the world to me if you also go and follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, here I start the video, and this video is going to be supremely exciting because I am very excited about this range of Pilgrim. I mean, they always come out with such great products and ranges that it actually always blows my mind that, you know, how do they always come out with such innovative things. Now Pilgrim is a brand which is cruelty free, vegan, like they have so many things. Okay, they are 100% vegan, cruelty free, no toxic 20 chemicals, 100% safe, FDA approved, plastic positive, no parabens, no sulfates. Like there are so many things that they say that they do, and they actually do that. So without further blabbering, let's start with this video. So I have their three products. One is their Squalene Foaming face wash, which has got kiwi extract and vitamin B5. And the other one is their Squalene Glow Moisturizer, which has got niacinamide and vitamin C. And the third one that I have is lost somewhere. No, I got it. So the third one is their Squalene Phyto Retinol Glow Face Oil with Rosehip Oil as well. Now the packaging and the color is to die for. I loved how cute the color looks. Okay, and the products are also equally amazing, you guys. So before just showing you the application part, let me tell you a bit about Squalene. What is Squalene actually? Now some people say that, you know, Squalene is a good alternative for retinol, which is kind of true. I won't say it's like 100% true, but it's kind of true because you know, it actually helps you to stay nourished, hydrated, and also helps you with the aging process a lot. I mean a lot. Okay, so it actually helps you with that, and it is quite similar to hyaluronic acid. Not very similar, but quite similar, because you know, hyaluronic acid is also a naturally occurring chemical sort of a thing like acid, and this Squalene is also a naturally occurring thing. Okay, so there are many ways through which Squalene can be extracted, but the way they have chosen is through olives. Now if you don't know, let me tell you, olive has got this chemical sort of a thing. I mean, not chemical exactly, it's kind of a oil. Okay, naturally occurring oil in olives, which is called Squalene. Okay, now that is such a good ingredient for your skin. Like it actually nourishes your skin, helps you with the aging process, and there are like so many benefits of Squalene. So Squalene is definitely an ingredient that is making all the, you know, like there's all talking going on about Squalene, and that's all for good reasons. So I'm sure you got a little idea what Squalene is. So now let's start with the application process. So the first product that I'm going to show you is their Squalene Foaming face wash. Now yeah, this retails for rupees 350, and you might also get a discount if you use this code here, right here. Okay, and the most beautiful thing I feel about these foaming face wash is that ना कि एक तो ये ऐसे टाइप के ब्रश में आते हैं, and this kind of, you know, it's very gentle. Like previously I used to think, oh my god, this is so abrasive, but trust me, it's not. Okay, it is very, like, it's very soft. Like it won't harm your skin at all. Okay, so all you have to do is you just have to pump it and the foam will come out, and there's your foam, you guys. So what you have to do is you just have to give your skin a good massage. My hair also needs a massage, I feel, at this point. Like, okay, so yeah, and the smell is also very nice. I really love the face wash from all the face wash basically from Pilgrim. It's really nice, and you can just give a good scrub using this. Okay, like I tend to have a little blackheads on my nose, so this face wash really make sure that all the blackheads are blocked and nice, and it just gives you a beautiful healthy skin to work with all the next steps that we have. So I'll just wash my face and I'll be back. So I'm done washing my face and my face looks extremely good and radiant. Like all the dirt and everything is out from my face, okay? Like everything is gone. So the next step we are gonna go with is their cream. Now this is their Squalene Glow Moisturizer, which has got niacinamide and vitamin C in it. Also the packaging is so luxurious and so beautiful, you guys, okay? It comes with a spatula kind of a thing like this. Now I just love how aesthetic, you know, these spatula look when they are dived right inside the cream. I absolutely love that. Now you can see the, you know, the consistency is really very buttery, sort of like buttery as in it's not that very intense and very, you know, hard sort of. It's very nice. You can see it's very beautiful, okay? So I'll take a good amount of it and I'm just gonna put it and we're just gonna apply it. I just love its smell and how beautifully it works on my face. I love it, okay? Also don't forget your neck, you guys, because you know, neck tends to get aged even very fast. And also don't forget your hands, because ना हाथों की लकीरें भी दिखाती है कि आपका बुढ़ापा आ रहा है. So we need to stop that as well. So I'll just wait for like 30 to 40 seconds. So next we are gonna go with a facial oil. You must be thinking it's not winter, then why oil? But trust me, I am supremely dry skin and my skin needs all the oil in the world, I feel. So next we are gonna go with the oil. So this is the Squalene Phyto Retinol Glow Face Oil and this is priced at rupees 600. And also this cream was priced at rupees, yeah, it was for rupees 550. And as I told you earlier, you can get a good discount using this code of mine. And yeah, now let's see how it looks. So this is a typical Pilgrim packaging, like all their oils mostly are in this packaging only, and this comes in a pump sort of an applicator. It's very nice, okay? And yeah, so let's see how it feels. So I'm just gonna take few drops of it, okay? And we're just, oh my god, it's going down. I'm just gonna, you know, just dab it, like not too much of massaging and stuff. I am just gonna dab it a bit. And yeah, I'm not kidding. I feel my dry skin has got some life now. I feel so nourished, like oh my god. I hope you can see how glowy and dewy my face looks, and I feel it's completely ready for a makeup look right now, which I'm gonna do next, I feel. So yeah, this is how my skin looks right now, and I have been using it since a time now, like maybe around a week, okay? And I'm absolutely been loving it. So yeah, that's all about this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. And this is my bare skin, nothing going on my face, trust me, nothing, just a little bit of lip gloss. So yes, you guys, that's all about this video. I hope you liked it. In case you did, then don't forget to give it a hit the like button, subscribe button, and every single button in this world. And yeah, so that's it. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.